Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to install VirtualBox with extension pack. First of all, we have to download the VirtualBox and extension pack. Open your Google Chrome or favorite browser. VirtualBox. The official website of virtualbox.org. You can check the link in description. Click on Windows host and save. This is the extension pack. Click here and save to. After downloading of VirtualBox, we have to go to download. Here is the VirtualBox. Double click. Hit the enter and leave all things as default. Next, yes, click on install. It's going to install the VirtualBox. .6.1.22 start and finish. So VirtualBox is open. Click on performance and update the extension pack. Here is the extension pack. Just click here. Oracle extension pack. Agree. Yes. Okay. Thanks for watching these videos. Hope you guys enjoy watching these videos. See you again in next video.